Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel CoinGalaxy. Today in this video I am going to review another amazing crypto project. So let's start our video. Our today's project name is RunesTerminal. As you can see their link runesterminal.io. I will give the link in the description of video so you can click there to come to this website. Basically this is the infrastructure which provides on the Rune protocol, and this was the first ever Runes protocol launchpad. It was basically built on the dawns of the Bitcoin's new era, and ordinals begin on the evolution and the ruins finishes it. So be ready for the ruins and be ready for the market and be ready to decipher the ruins' scary future. As you can see here, right now they have 2507 blocks remaining, so it will be ended in approx 14 days. So do not forget to come to this platform instantly because a limited number of blocks are right now. So you can check out their interested links. So you can click here to learn more about the platform. If you click here, so you'll be redirected to this platform where they have the Dropbox doc send. So type your email and they will send you a detailed document about which explaining about their platform. So all you have to do is to write your email and press continue, then they will send a new doc to your email. So in this way you can access their detailed information about the platform. Talking about their products, they have the RuneScan, which will be the Runes Explorer with the all need of the public data, and its link is the runescan.io. You can explore it separately as well. And this is the RunesPad, which is the free market for all the Runes investors to launch on the runespad.io. And the third product is the Runes Itcher, which issues a new runes, which is the badge, send them to everyone, and this is the coming soon feature. And the last is the Rune Book, which is also the coming soon feature, and it is the go-to Wikipedia for everything for the runes. So these two features are still to launch and these are now available. And here you can see transferring bitcoins. You can unleash bitcoins potential with the Runes protocol. All you have to do is to do with this pioneering hyper efficient UTXO model in which runes are the future of the Bitcoin utility. You can click here to learn more about the platform, and this is their developer Dream Labs. And here you can see they have the developer in which they have a supported lab environment and at least with their test Runes protocol application. And they also enjoy the advisory support from our technical team and the business development teams. And they connect to a large network of the Runes developers and the decipher to Runes together. Lastly but not least, they have the tap feature as well, fund, attend, receive and expand feature as well. And about the Runes token, if you see this is their name Rune of their token, and it is built it for investing in the Bitcoin's cutting edge transformation. Here you can see you can get the early access to the vetted IDOs, liquidity mining initiatives, tier based allocations, insider access to the veterans in the Bitcoin space, and community driven funding through the governance as well. So all you have to do is to chat with them. So this is their official email, starts at the runesterminal.io. You can get in touch with them at their official email address, and this is their Twitter and the Telegram channels. I will show them separately. For example, so this was the runespad.io, which was I early mentioning. So this is also coming soon feature, so you can explore it later when it will be publicly available. So this is their Telegram official channel. Here you can see the members of their official channel. You can see 11,617 members. So this is their Telegram channel, runesterminal.io official. And about their RunesTerminal Twitter channel, you can see they have the verified account, and with the followers amount here you can explore all of their latest posts as well. And this is the second Twitter account for the RunesPad. Here you can also check out their followers and the latest posts. So you have to keep in touch with both of the accounts. And lastly, this is their Discord invite link. You can see their official members and you can join by typing your display name and then continue. In this way you will be joined in their Discord channel. So in short, this was all about this RunesTerminal. I hope you have liked this project. If you have liked, kindly subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.